guys, I couldn't post because all my things are messed up. But I couldn't post. But I'm going to redo my video. Okay. I'm going to redo my video real quick. I did a fidget haul, but it wouldn't post. First, we have a what's it called? A puzzle ball. I'm sorry I'm not showing my face right now. It's just I want you guys to see more of this.
Because she's tall.
Yeah, basically. Here's my face.
Here's my face.
Next up, it's my favorite. What's this called again?
Shaggy needle.
Yeah, a shaggy needle. Then we got a load of monkey noodles. And then we got some pop doops. I got red and blue because it's the 4th of July.
Or after 4th of July, basically. It's like the week after the 4th of July, so she can have what she wants. And if you have a problem with that, get off her page and leave her alone.
Well, all my 50 subscribers love it. I'll be right back, guys. Okay, so pretend you didn't hear my cousin's voice. I'm not revealing her name yet. I'm not going to reveal her name yet. You guys already know her name, but you guys don't know her last name, so I'm not going to reveal that yet. Okay, so yeah, that's basically my fidget haul. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye. Fidget!